Welcome to one-on-one tutorials. Please visit our website at www.oneontutorials.hostzi.com. This is numerical number 3. I have already written the problem. Let me read it for you. Problem is, how many electrons are present in 1 coulomb charge? We know that every electron has a charge. So how many electrons in total we need to have a total charge of 1 coulomb? Okay, let us see how we can approach this problem. But it is also given that charge of an electron is 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb, because we know that an electron does not have a huge amount of charge. An electron is only having minuscule amount of charge, which is 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb, and that is the minimum charge you can have. You cannot have anything lower than that, any charge lower than that. So the problem is to find the number of electrons in 1 coulomb of charge. Let us see how we can solve this problem. See, if the amount of charge is say 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb, then how many electrons are there? Number of electrons is only 1, because that is the charge of an electron. So we know that if the amount of charge is 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb, we have only 1 electron. Okay, so if the amount of charge has to be 1 coulomb, so how many electrons will be there? It will be 1 divided by 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19. So if the amount of charge is 1 coulomb, then number of electrons will be E means electron. Electron will be 1 upon 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19. Now 10 to the power minus 19, when it goes up, it becomes 10 to the power minus 19 from denominator. It will become 10 to the power plus 19 at the numerator. So separate this 10 to the power 19 into 10 and 10 to the power 18. So divide 10 by 1.6 and keep 10 to the power 18 separate. So when you divide 10 by 1.6, we get roughly 6.25. 6.25 into 10 to the power 18 is the number of electrons available in 1 coulomb of charge. I think this problem is pretty simple. So let me revisit once again. How many electrons are present in 1 coulomb charge, given charge of an electron is 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb. Okay, so we used it. It's a very simple solution actually. So if the amount of charge is 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb, then number of electrons is 1. Therefore, number of electrons is 1. Therefore, if the amount of charge is 1 coulomb, the number of electrons will be 1 upon 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19. So separate 10 to the power 10 to the power minus 19, when it comes to numerator, becomes 10 to the power plus 19. So that means 10 into 10 to the power 18, and 10 by 1.6 is 6.25. So number of electrons in 1 coulomb charge will be 6.25 multiplied by 10 to the power 18. So that is the number of that is the number of electrons in 1 coulomb of charge.